Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Just Bliss Thorough Happiness. So we are in the month of October, and October is known for Dyslexia Awareness Month. So in my coming videos, including today's, I would be giving you in a very basic terms how to help your child if they have difficulties in learning. So what is dyslexia? Well, dyslexia is not a disease, not a disorder, it is a disability, a term related to studies, wherein a child, basically because studies matlab it is related to children, so where a child usually has difficulties in reading, spelling, remembering, problem solving, associating, and all the small terms which are related to their studies. Because basically, right from the age of 2.5 years until they become take up a profession, they keep studying. So initial phases are actually important, wherein because there is the time where a child can be analyzed and assessed if he or she is having difficulty in learning. So best, how would you find as a parent or as a teacher very easy and basic steps or rather points? I'm going to cover it up in today's video. So let's have a handy paper and a pen where you can just make a note of it, or else you can definitely see my video again. So the basic things what you can find in your child if the child has a learning disability or a difficulty are, they will not like studies. They will always make excuses to study or read. They will make excuses to go to school because they find it difficulty in understanding the concepts taken in the school, right? So these are the most common. Always as a parent we think they are avoiding, but there might be a reason behind their avoidance. Then you can see their notes. There will be so many reversals. They for B and D, P, Q, M, W, N, U, and then you can see the letters would be written in mixed, like for IS it would be written as SI, and every time they use the words there would be different spellings in it. Then the order of words in the sentence would be jumbled. If you ask them to copy, then they will start from first line and they will jump to third line, because for them it would just be a symbols on the board which they are copying. The next thing you can see lots of circles by the teachers, because repeatedly they are making the mistakes. Next it would be they will forget immediately. Like today you are spending a half an hour or 1 hour with your child making them understand or learn one lesson. The next day when you ask, they will forget it completely. They will have memory issues because for them those were only just a language. They were not able to connect to the subjects and the concepts, so they are not able to retain it. Some children might have genuinely memory issues and some might not be able to understand. In maths, they will find a difficulty with operations, calculations on fingers. They will forget previous number, next number, before, after, ascending order, descending order, all these things. Basically in initial classes, right? Not exactly, you don't be behind your child when they are in their nursery classes, but yes, when they come to primary class like first second standard, definitely if they have such problems you need to be alert, because that is the tender age where they can be helped. Then you could see the child writes very dark. They will press, they will give a pressure, or they will write very light. you won't be able to read it. They will not come out in the classroom. They will be closed. They will be sitting quiet. They will not participate in activities. They don't like to take part in reading activities. All this and many more. So these are just a basic normal observations which you can make it at home itself. When you're with your child, you can find it out. And a primary teachers can also, in the regular classes, they can look out for such kind of repeated mistakes by a child, which would be little helpful at the earlier stage itself. Stay tuned for more videos on awareness and related to dyslexia in the whole month of October. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like button. Definitely subscribe. You're welcome to comment, and please don't forget to hit the bell, the notifications for my upcoming videos. Take care. Bye.